So let's start doing this very first question here. I'm sure all of you can hear me now. Okay, yes, that's great. Thank you, Shreyansh. Thank you, Samarth. So, what is the answer for this very first question? Okay, Tanu, thank you. F of x square minus 6x plus 6 is 7x plus 12. So, what is f of minus 3? This is what the question is asking you. What is f of minus 3? Though I have not got an answer yet, so let's start solving it straight away. So if I have to calculate f of minus 3, but I am given f of this, so can I say I want this to be minus 3? So I'm looking for x square minus 6x plus 6. That should be minus 3. Or x square minus 6x plus 9 should be equal to 0. Or x minus 3 whole square should be equal to 0, which means x is equal to 3. So x minus 3 whole square will become 0 when x is equal to 3. The moment you put x is equal to 3, this whole thing becomes minus 3. And of course, the right hand side would become how much? So let's put x is equal to 3. I get f of minus 3 as 7 into 3 plus 12. That is equal to 33. So f of minus 3 is equal to 33. C option is the right answer for this very first question. I got an answer from Tanu Singh though, right? So let's have hope more answers in the upcoming questions. So here is second question now on your screen. Let's have a look at this. Let's see how many of you answer this correctly. CMAT will be conducted or not? Thakur, of course, currently, I mean, it will be conducted. Now, when will it be conducted, that we can't say surely right now. But it should be conducted for sure. Things might change, we don't know. But the registration is going to start very soon for this. Let's see who all are the first few people to answer this second question. Yes, any answer for question number 2 from anyone? Not yet. So let's start doing it now. It says a policeman starts chasing a thief who is 200 meters away. After covering how much distance does the policeman catch the thief? If the speed of the policeman and the thief is 12 and 10 kilometers per hour respectively, I got the first answer from Samarth who says B 1.2 kilometers. Then Friends Blogs and Funny Videos also says 1.2 kilometers. Two answers we have got. Let's see what is the right answer for this question. He says that the policeman has to catch the thief and thief is 200 meters away. So let us say the policeman is here, the thief is here. So currently the distance between the policeman and the thief is 200 meters. Now he says that the policeman is running at a speed of 12 kilometer per hour and the thief is running at a speed of 10 kilometer per hour. Of course, the policeman wants to catch the thief, then the relative speed would be 12 minus 10. So this 200 meters, which has to be covered in kilometers. So this is the kilometers which has to be covered at a relative speed of 12 minus 10. So this gives me actually 0.1 hours. This is the time in which the policeman will catch the thief. Question is asking how much distance does the policeman have to cover. Now because the policeman is running at a speed of 12, so in 0.1 hours how much distance the policeman would cover? It is 12 into 0.1, which is equal to 1.2 kilometers. So yes, option B is the right answer for this second question. The policeman will catch the thief in zero point 0.1 hours and at a speed of 12. In these 0.1 hours, the policeman would cover 1.2 kilometers. B option is the right answer for us. I hope it is absolutely clear to all of you. That was question number 2. I'll move ahead now to question number 3 on your screen. It's here now. So here we have question number 3. What is the right answer? Let's see who are the first few people to answer this correctly. In how many ways can we distribute 10 identical pencils among 3 distinct boxes? In how many ways can we distribute 10 identical pencils among 3 distinct boxes? I don't see any answer yet for this question. So let us start doing it now. There is a direct formula for these kind of questions. Just keep this in mind. When the things to be distributed are distinct, the boxes in which they are to be put, they are also distinct. अगर वो दोनों distinct हो जाते हैं तो एक direct formula होता है. First pencil can go in any of the 3 boxes, second pencil can go in any of the 3 boxes, and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that becomes 3 to the power 10. But if the things are identical and the boxes are distinct, we use the distribution formula, which we also know as partition formula. Some people call it whole number solutions. So that formula is that in the first box, let us say there are A1 number of pencils. In the second box, there are A2 number of pencils. In the third box, there are A3 number of pencils, and total number of pencils is 10. So out of the total 10 pencils, some are put into A1, some are put into A2, some are put into A3, and sum of these three numbers should be equal to 10. अब तीन numbers का sum 10 कितने तरीके से हो सकता है? There is a direct formula for that, which is 10 plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. So it will be 10 plus 3 minus 1 c3 minus 1. So I get the answer as 12c2. तो 12c2 कितना आता है? It is equal to 66. So option D 66 is the right answer for this question. So I repeat, there is a direct formula for this. Whenever there are distinct groups in which some identical things are to be distributed, तो आपके पास एक फॉर्मूला होता है that if A1 plus A2 plus A3 up to AR is equal to N, R boxes का sum अगर N identical items के बराबर आ जाए, तो ऐसे केस में you will say formula is N plus R minus 1 CR minus 1. This is called whole number solutions. This is also called distribution formula, partition method, कुछ भी बोलिए, उसका ये तरीका है. That was question number 3. I think that people didn't know about this formula. Not many of us are comfortable with permutation combination. Therefore, this happens. But I'm sure that now you have understood it. I'll move ahead to question number 4 on your screen. Here is the question. Okay, Sonu Mandal has got the answer for this question very fast, very good. Anyone else? Samarth also got the answer. Let's have a look at this. In the equation x square plus kx plus 1 is equal to 0, if the roots are real, what can be the maximum possible range of the values of k? तो चलिए देखते हैं k की possible range क्या आ सकती है. So in a quadratic equation, if the roots are real, there is a direct rule for that. This happens when your discriminant is greater than or equal to 0. I'm sure you all know this. If the discriminant is greater than equal to 0, the roots are real. So what is discriminant? It is b square minus 4ac. So it is k square minus 4 into a into c, which are both 1. It has to be greater than equal to 0. Or I can say k square minus 4 must be greater than equal to 0. Or I can say k square must be greater than equal to 4. If square of a number is greater than 4, either that number is greater than 2 or it is less than minus 2. So ultimately my range would be k is greater than equal to 2 or less than equal to minus 2. Now, where is it given that k is greater than equal to 2, less than equal to minus 2? Greater than equal to 2 is given in option B, less than equal to 2 is given in option A. So, my answer would be both A and B is the possible range of the values of k, which was answered correctly by Sonu Mandal. But I think Samarth and Tanu, you both got confused with the symbols, the inequality symbols. इन सी ऑप्शन वो सिंबल्स आपके ऑपोजिट साइड पे लगे हुए थे. k is less than equal to 2, greater than equal to minus 2, वो तब होता जब k square less than equal to 4 होता. यहां पे k square greater than equal to 4 था. So my answer should be both A and B. I hope you got your mistake as well. That what mistake did you make here? वैसे तो क्लियर दिखाई दे रहा है कि आपने कोई सिंबल्स की ही मिस्टेक की है. Let's move ahead to question number 5 now. Here is question number 5. Give me the answer. Any answer for question number 5 now? That's another easy question in my opinion. Sonu Mandal has got the answer as option C, which is 9%. Friends is also saying it is C, 9%. We got two answers, both of them are saying 9%. So let's start doing it now. Samarth also got B as 7%. Dekte Ravi bought two watches A and B for rupees 8,000 and 7,000 respectively. He marks up A by 50%, B by 60%. He sells A at 10% discount. He makes the overall profit of 40%, then find the approximate discount given on B. So there are two watches, that is A and B. He purchased A for 8,000 rupees. He purchased B for 7,000 rupees. So I can say the total cost price of the two watches is 15,000 rupees. Then he mark up A by 50%. So that means he marks A by 12,000 and B by 60%. So 60% of 7,000 is 4,200. So he marks this as 11,200. He sells A at 10% discount. So he sells A at 10% discount means 10,800. If he makes the overall profit of 40%, so what is his overall selling price? He have to make a profit of 40%. 40% of 15,000 is 6,000. That means he wants to sell both the watches for a total of 21,000 rupees. 21,000 में से 10,800 का तो ये बेच दिया है. So that means this should be sold for 10,200. Now, if watch B is marked as 11,200, sold for 10,200, that means a discount of 1,000 rupees is given on a base of 11,200, which comes out to be 10 by 112. Or you can say it is very close to 1 by 11. Because अगर 10 by 110 होता तो 1 by 11 हो जाता. So it is very close to 1 by 11. 1 by 11 is 9.09%. So close to that is option C. वैसे भी वो आपसे approximate discount ही पूछ रहा है. So the approximate discount is 9%. That is the right answer for question number 5, which was answered correctly by Sonu Mandal and Friends Vlogs. Both the people have given the right answer. So very I would say straight forward. थोड़ी सी लास्ट की कैलकुलेशन हल्की सी आप डिफिकल्ट बोल सकते हैं. Otherwise the question was easy, straightforward. Let's move ahead to question number 6 here. So question number 6 on your screen. Give me the answer. Let us see how many of you answer question number 6 fast. X is a 9-digit number in which all the digits are same. X is definitely divisible by which of the following? Tanu Singh has given the answer as D, both B and C. We got the first answer from Tanu Singh. Himanshu Gupta has got the answer as C, which is 111. Two answers till now. This was again, I would say, not a difficult question. Let's do this. X is a 9-digit number in which all the digits are the same. X is definitely divisible by which of the following? इसके बाद फ्रेंड्स ने बोला है C, हिमांशु ने चेंज करके बोला है D, समर्थ भी कह रहे हैं D. Let's have a look. See, suppose there is a 9-digit number with all digits same, so it is like A is written a total of 9 times. Can I also say it can be written as A into 1 9 times 1? A into 9 times 1. अब 9 times 1 जो है इसका sum of the digits is 9. If sum of the digits is 9, that means it is definitely divisible by 9. So ये तो सीधा रूल होता है 9 का, that if sum of the digits is divisible by 9, the number is divisible by 9. So it is definitely divisible by 9. Also, 9 times 1 can also be written as 3 times 1 written thrice. अब अगर आप 111 को 3 बार लिख रहे हैं तो वो 111 से तो डिवाइड होगा ही होगा. So it is surely divisible by 9. It is surely divisible by 111 as well. So therefore, option D is the right answer, that it is divisible by 9 as well as 111. So the correct answer is option C. जो किस किसने सही बताया, सॉरी डी, जो बताया तनु सिंह ने सही बताया इसका आंसर. हिमांशु गुप्ता ने ठीक आंसर दिया. समर्थ ने सही आंसर दिया. सोनू और फ्रेंड्स थोड़ा सा चूक गए इसमें, बट आई एम श्योर दैट दे हैव अंडरस्टूड द मिस्टेक नाउ. शायद आपने 9 की तरफ ध्यान नहीं दिया. सेम डिजिट को 9 बार लिखोगे तो वो 9 से तो डिविजिबल हो ही जाएगी ना, बिकॉज सम ऑफ द डिजिट वुड शॉर्टली बी डिविजिबल बाय 9. So by that logic, it will be divisible by 9 as well. I'll move ahead from here to question number 7 on your screen. It's here now. Give me the answer for question number 7. Friends has got the answer as B, which is 40%. Samarth also got C, which is 45%. Let us start doing it then. करना शुरू करते हैं. It says in a company, 75% of the employees have an MBA degree. Out of the female employees, 90% have an MBA degree. 30% of the employees are males. Then find the percentage of males having an MBA degree. That's what the question is asking you. ठीक है? Though you can use allegation as well in this question. देखिए ओवरऑल 75% के पास MBA की डिग्री है, फीमेल्स में 90% के पास एमबीए की डिग्री है, तो मेल्स में कितनों के पास होगी? सो 75% इज द ओवरऑल परसेंटेज, फीमेल्स में है 90%, मेल्स में कितना है, दिस वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट, एंड मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स आर इन व्हाट रेशियो? 30% ऑफ द एम्प्लॉयज आर मेल्स, तो 30% ही मेल्स हैं, इसका मतलब 70% फीमेल्स हैं. सो फ्रॉम हियर आई कैन ऑल्सो गेट द आंसर, इससे भी मेरा आंसर आ जाएगा. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग माई पॉइंट. तो बेसिकली 90 माइनस 75 इज 15. अगर 315 है तो 735 होना चाहिए. तो 75 में से क्या माइनस करूंगी 35 आए? इट इज 40%. सो यस आई कैन से दैट 40% ऑफ द मेल्स आर हैविंग एन एमबीए डिग्री. अदरवाइज ऑल्सो हाउ वुड यू डू इट? और क्या तरीका होगा इसको करने का? लेट अस से देयर आर 100 एम्प्लॉइज. 100 में से वो कह रहा है कि 90 तो सॉरी 30 तो हमारे पास मेल्स है, 30 मेल्स है, जिसका मतलब 70 फीमेल्स है. 90% of the females have MBA degree, so 63 females have an MBA degree, whereas overall 75 employees have got an MBA degree. ओवरऑल 75% के पास एमबीए डिग्री है, लेकिन फीमेल्स में से सिर्फ 90% के पास है. तो 75 में से 63 तो फीमेल्स होगी. सो द रिमेनिंग 12 पीपल हैविंग एन एमबीए डिग्री मस्ट बी मेल्स, एंड दिस 12 is 40% of 30. So by that logic also we got the answer as option B. So B is the right answer, which is answered correctly by friends and then Tanu Singh. समर्थ और सोनू मंडल फिर से कोई मिस्टेक की आप दोनों ने, राइट? बट आई एम श्योर दैट यू हैव गॉट योर मिस्टेक. So the correct answer for this question was option B. नहीं, समर्थ का तो लास्ट टाइम ठीक आंसर आया था. मेरे ख्याल से सोनू मंडल दोबारा कोई मिस्टेक कर गए. सोनू, आई एम श्योर दैट यू गॉट योर मिस्टेक. व्हाट मिस्टेक डिड यू मेक हियर? चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 की तरफ. ये रहा क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 आपके सामने. व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन नाउ? What is the probability that the month of April will have 5 Mondays? What is the right answer for this case? Himanshu Gupta has got the answer as A. Samarth has got the answer as C. Friends also got the answer as 2 by 7. So let's start doing it. What is the probability that the month of April will have 5 Mondays? चलिए करते हैं इसके बारे में बात. देखिए अप्रैल मंथ में वी हैव अ टोटल ऑफ 30 डेज. सो इन द फर्स्ट 28 डेज, 28 डेज का मतलब हो जाता है 4 वीक्स. इन दीज 4 वीक्स एवरी डे वुड अपीयर 4 टाइम्स. So Monday will appear 4 times, Tuesday will appear 4 times, Wednesday would appear 4 times. तो हर एक दिन जो है 4 बार तो आ ही गया. After that I have last 2 days. Last 2 days are 29th day and 30th day. 29th and 30th day are there. Now they are two consecutive days. What can they be? They can be Monday and Tuesday. They can be Tuesday and Wednesday. they can be Wednesday and Thursday, they can be Thursday and Friday, or Friday and Saturday, or Saturday and Sunday, or Sunday and Monday. These are the all possibilities. So total of 7 possibilities are there. And out of these 7 possibilities, how many possibilities contain a Monday? Because that will make 5 Mondays in April. So this contains a Monday and this contains a Monday. So out of 7, 2 cases are favorable. So the correct answer for this question is option C, which is equal to 2 by 7. That out of total 7 cases, in 2 cases we get an extra Monday, or you can say 5 Mondays in the whole month. So Tanu Singh, friends, and Samarth, they all got it right, but the first person to get it right was Samarth. Later on, then friends and Tanu also got it right. These were the 8 questions which were based upon quantitative aptitude of CMAT. And now we move on to a DI based set, which has got a long data, of course. So you all have to read it once, and after that we shall start solving it. तो पहले आप लोग सब एक बार इसको मिलके पढ़ लीजिए, फिर इसको करना शुरू करते हैं. That how do we do it? I'm sure you all have read it now, so we can start doing it. So in all DI based questions, it's very important to first understand what all data is there, so that we can represent it in a very comfortable form, right? Otherwise, if we haphazardly write all the things here and there, it will be very difficult for us to do the question. So let's first understand what all data is there. In IIT Delhi, there are 3,600 students pursuing graduation in 5 different branches of engineering, that is mechanical, electrical, civil, EC, and CS. The number of boys is 72 more than the number of girls. 25% of the total number of boys are studying in civil branch. 4 by 25 of the total number of students are studying in mechanical branch. In EC branch, there are 150 more students than mechanical. The ratio of girls to boys is 1 is to 3 in mechanical. The number of students in CS is 60 more than students in mechanical. The number of boys studying in EC is equal to number of girls studying in the same branch. Half the total students in electrical branch are boys, and 75% of the total students of CS branch are girls. So I see that he's talking about all 5 departments and how many students are there in each department. And then he's talking about how many boys and girls are there in these departments. So let's start talking about that only. So we have mechanical, then we have electrical, then we have civil. After that, I have EC, and then I have CS. These are the 5 departments with us, right? And in all these 5 departments, first of all, there is a total number of students. There are some boys which are there are some girls which are there, and we know that the total number of students is definitely 3,600. That all is given to us, and this is all that we have to make here in this table. तो इससे हमें ये आइडिया मिल गया मुझे डेटा कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करना है. एज आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस, कि पहले तो मैं पता होना चाहिए क्या क्या लिखना है. First of all, he says the number of boys is 72 more than number of girls. Total 3,600 students हैं. Boys are 36 more than the girls. So if girls are G, boys are G plus 72, and the sum of girls and boys is 3,600. यहां से आपके पास number of girls आ जाएंगी, that will be 1,200 and कितना आ जाएगा 36 less than 1,300, sorry 1,800 से. So it will be 1,764 and the boys will be 1,836. टोटल आ जाएगा आपके पास 3,600. देखो मैंने सीधा ऐसे याद किया हुआ. इफ द क्वेश्चन सेज दैट दीज आर आई मीन 72 मोर देन अदर्स, तो मैं 3600 का हाफ करता हूं और एक नंबर को उससे 36 कम कर देता हूं, एक को 36 ज्यादा, टोटल गैप 72 हो जाता है। गेटिंग माई पॉइंट? जैसे मान लीजिए वो कहता है 3600 स्टूडेंट्स हैं एंड द बॉयज आर 500 मोर देन गर्ल्स, तो क्या करोगे? 3600 का हाफ करो 1800 और 500 का हाफ 250, 250 बढ़ा दो तो 2050 बॉयज आ जाएंगे, 250 कम कर दो तो 1550 गर्ल्स आ जाएंगी। देखिए डिफरेंस 500 का आ जाएगा। एक आसान तरीका है, हालांकि आता इसी इक्वेशन से है, ठीक है, लेकिन यह है कि इक्वेशन नहीं बनानी पड़ती, सीधा वी कैन डू इट अ लिटिल फास्टर। व्हाट मोर इज गिवन? 25% of the total number of students are studying in civil branch. Total है 3600, उसका 25% 900 are studying in civil branch. 4 by 25 of the total number of students are studying in mechanical branch. इसका 4 by 25 भी कर लेते हैं, so 25 से डिवाइड करूंगा तो ये 144 आ जाएगा and 144 into 4 is 576. They are in mechanical branch, so this comes out to be 576 here. What next? In EC branch there are 150 students more than those in mechanical. EC में mechanical से 150 more, 576 plus 150, it is 726, the total number of students in EC. The ratio of the number of girls to boys is 1:3 in mechanical. Mechanical में girls और boys का ratio 1:3 का है, तो इसका मतलब गर्ल्स हो जाएंगे 1/4 of the total which is 144, बॉयज हो जाएंगे 3/4 of the total which is 432. The number of students in CS is 60 more than number of students in mechanical. CS में 60 ज्यादा है, इससे 60 इसमें बढ़ा दीजिए, you will get 636. So 3600 में से सब माइनस करूं तो इलेक्ट्रिकल आ जाएगा मेरे पास. Let's do that. So अब माइनस करने का तरीका भी मैं आपको बताता हूं. पहले सिर्फ हंड्रेड्स गिन लो. 5 9 14, 14 plus 7 21, 21 plus 6 27, 2700 को पहले इसमें से माइनस करो, बचता है 900. अब टेंस गिन लो, ठीक है. 70 20 30 120, उस 900 में से ये 120 भी माइनस कर दो, यू आर लेफ्ट विद 780. अब यूनिट्स गिन लो. 6 6 6 18. अब 780 में से जब आप 18 माइनस करोगे यू विल गेट 762. ठीक है, मुझे थोड़ा सा तरीका आसान लगता है कैलकुलेट करने का. दिस इज हाउ आई डू इट. नेक्स्ट, द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज इन ईसी ब्रांच इज इक्वल टू द नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन द सेम ब्रांच. मतलब ईसी ब्रांच में बॉयज और गर्ल्स इक्वल है, तो 726 का आधा कर देते हैं, 363 बॉयज 363 गर्ल्स. हाफ ऑफ द टोटल स्टूडेंट्स इन इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच आर बॉयज. इलेक्ट्रिकल में भी वो कुछ ऐसा ही कह रहा है, हाफ ऑफ देम आर बॉयज, तो ऑफ कोर्स हाफ ऑफ देम आर गर्ल्स. सो 381 बॉयज एंड 381 गर्ल्स. एंड 75% ऑफ द टोटल स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ सीएच ब्रांच आर गर्ल्स. सीएच ब्रांच का 75% गर्ल्स है. 75% का मतलब है 25% बॉयज है, तो 1/4 करना मेरे लिए ज्यादा आसान है. 1/4 आ जाएगा इसका 159, तो 159 बॉयज है, तो बाकी गर्ल्स है जो कि इसका ट्रिपल हो जाएंगी, 3/4. So they would be 477. अब मेरे पास टोटल बॉयज एंड टोटल गर्ल्स है. लेट अस जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट देम एंड आई विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स इन सिविल एज वेल. और वो आ गया तो बस काम खत्म हो गया. दैट्स व्हाट द क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग अस. आई एम श्योर ये आप कर सकते हैं, ठीक है. कैलकुलेशन तो आप मतलब कर ही लेंगे, तरीका वही रहेगा, मेरा तो फिर भी वही है. 4 + 3 7 + 3 10 + 1 1100 माइनस किया, इसमें से 736 आया. फिर 3 + 8 11 + 6 17 + 5 22, तो 220 माइनस किया 736 में से, तो वो 516 आ गया. 516 में से ये आपका 15 माइनस कर दिया, 516 में से 15 माइनस किया तो ये 501 आ जाता है. सो दे विल कम आउट टू बी 399. बस द जॉब इज डन. ओके, द मोमेंट दिस ऑल इज डन योर जॉब इज कंप्लीट. दैट्स इट. क्योंकि पूछेगा भी तो क्या ही पूछेगा आपसे, यही तो पूछेगा, इसी पे बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस होंगे आपके सामने. सो आई हैव डन रिटन ऑल दीस फिगर्स इन अ टेबल टू आंसर ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. सो हियर इज द टेबल दैट यू सी ऑन द स्क्रीन. अब इसी के बेसिस पे हम लोगों को आंसर करना है कि कहां पे क्या आता है. ठीक है, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं करना इसको. व्हाट इज द एवरेज नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट स्टडिंग इन इलेक्ट्रिकल सिविल एंड सीएस. इलेक्ट्रिकल सिविल एंड सीएस, तो ये टोटल और ये टोटल और ये टोटल, ठीक है. और गलती से मैं टोटल लिखने भूल गया हूं. इलेक्ट्रिकल सिविल सीएस तो मुझे यहां मिल जाएंगे, इलेक्ट्रिकल सिविल और सीएस. देयर सम इज 9 + 7 16 + 6 2200, 2200 प्लस ये आ जाएगा आपके पास 98. So 2298 is the total number of students. So average क्या आएगा? 2298 divided by 3. 3 7s are 21, 3 6s are 18, 3 6s are 18. The correct answer is option E, that is 766, which is the answer for the first question. Okay. Then question number 2. What is the ratio of the number of boys in EC to the number of girls in electrical? Boys in EC is 363. Girls in electrical is 381. He is asking you the ratio of 363 is to 381. 3 से काट देते हैं तो ये आएगा 121 और ये आएगा 127. So my answer is option B, that is 121 is to 127. टेबल आ गई तो फिर तो काम वैसे भी आसान ही हो जाता है. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, द नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स इन सिविल ब्रांच विच इज 399 is what percentage of the total number of girls of all 5 branches together. सभी की टोटल गर्ल्स ऐड कर देनी है. आई थिंक द टोटल नंबर ऑफ गर्ल्स केम आउट टू बी 1764 इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले हम लोग किया ही था. तो मैं 399 की बजाय इसको 400 ले लेता हूं. तो 400 इज व्हाट परसेंटेज ऑफ 1764. 1764 का 20% जो आएगा इट विल बी इक्वल टू 352. बचा मेरे पास 48 और इसका 1% आएगा 17.6, 2% आएगा 34 के आसपास, 3% आएगा 51 के आसपास, मतलब 3% और ऐड होगा. सो इट इज वेरी क्लोज टू 23% इन माय ओपिनियन. यस, सो अप्रोक्सीमेटली 23% इज द राइट आंसर. व्हाट डिड आई डू, लेट मी टेल यू. पहले हम लोगों ने इसको 400 ले लिया. अब 1764 का 20% में निकाला बिकॉज ऑल ऑप्शंस आर क्लोज टू 20%. 20% आ गया इसका 352, तो 48 और बचा था. नाउ 1764 का 1% है 17.6, 2% हो जाएगा 34 के करीब, 3% हो जाएगा 51 के करीब, तो ये 48 के आसपास 3% और आ रहा है. सो 20 प्लस 3 23 के आसपास मेरा आंसर आना चाहिए. सो 23 इज द राइट आंसर फॉर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. And this brings us to question number 4. What is the ratio of the total number of students in electrical branch to CS branch? Electrical का total which is 72062 and CS branch का total. CS branch का total कितना था? It is I think कितना आ रहा है ये? ऐड कर लेते हैं. 47 plus 15 is 62. 636 आ रहा है. So ratio of the number of students in electrical to CS, तो 762 is to 636. चलिए करते हैं. ये दोनों मुझे दिख रहा है 2 से कैंसिल आउट हो रहे हैं, 3 से भी हो रहे हैं. तो 6 से काट देता हूं. So 6 12s are and 6 7s are and 6 106. So 127 is to 106 is given in option C. That is the right answer for this last part now. Okay. So that's what all about these questions of QA and DI is there. That's all about today, guys. I'm sure you like the class. Now, on this 17th of March at 11 a.m., you will have a session with Srinivas sir on the BYJU'S exam prep app, and he will be talking about how to manage your preparation with job or studies. It is going to be a live interactive workshop. Do not forget to join him at 11 a.m. I'm sure this session would be extremely useful and helpful for all of you. Must attend session. Also, now you can get up to 90% scholarships on our CAT preparation program if you appear for the scholarship test on 24th of March at 11 a.m. Do register for it now, and I'm sure this is again going to be very beneficial for you. You all know about our CAT college predictor tool. The link for that is given in the description of this video. Go to the link, put in your profile. It will exactly tell you which all IIMs are there from which you are eligible, and if you are eligible, at what percentile you can get a call from them. Also, there is another link of CAT counseling form which is there in your chat box as well as your description of this video. Nowadays, we are giving you an offer of one-to-one counseling with us. Fill up this form, you'll get a call from our side and you can clear all your doubts regarding your MBA preparation, which might not be directly related to, BYJU'S preparation program or something. So if you have any further questions, let's say what kind of college is this, what is the syllabus of CAT, what all things I need to do, where from should I study, all those things you can discuss with us in that one-to-one counseling. You can also follow us on all these media handles, and that's all from my side, guys. Thank you very much. I'm sure the session was useful for all of you. We'll meet again now in some other session. Till then, bye-bye and take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Good night. Good day, Tanu Singh. Good day, Samarth. Let's meet soon now. Bye, everyone.